A rider came to me in a real emergency. His motorcycle wouldn't start at all. No self-start, no lights, and no electrical power. At first, it looked like a dead battery, but after a quick inspection, I found the real problem. The battery terminal was badly damaged, so the electrical connection was completely lost. Without a proper connection, the battery can't deliver power to the motorcycle. The rider was stranded and needed to get back on the road immediately. So I used a simple cable tie from my toolbox and made a temporary modification to hold the terminal securely in place. The connection was restored. The electrical system came back to life, and the motorcycle started instantly. The rider was able to continue the journey safely. But remember, this is only an emergency roadside fix, not a permanent repair. I advised the rider to come back later so I could replace the damaged battery terminal properly. Moments like this remind me that experience isn't just about fixing motorcycles, it's about helping people when they need it most. Follow for more real motorcycle repair tips and emergency roadside fixes.